Welcome all of you to Educare Biology. Today I will discuss about improvement in crop production. First part of improvement in crop production is nutrient management that I have completed. Now I will discuss about the second part of crop improvement, that is irrigation. Irrigation. This is the second part of crop improvement. First of all, what is irrigation? What is irrigation? Irrigation is a system which involves control water providing system to the crop plants by human efforts at different intervals. In India, there are several crop plants which needed different irrigation system. In case of paddy, during the whole growth period, irrigation is needed. In case of cotton, a little amount of irrigation water is needed. But in case of wheat, there are 3 times for irrigation. First time is tillering, second time is flowering, third time is fruiting. So, different crop plants needed different types of irrigation. Next, without irrigation, fail better crop yielding. Our country, 55% of land is totally or partially is under irrigated system. 45% of land is under a rain-fed. This rain-fed cultivated area is dependent on timing monsoon and heavy rainfall. But if it is disturbed, drought appears. So, to supply the irrigated water to this rain-fed area is necessary for the development of crops, growing, tillering, that is fruiting and flowering. This is rain-fed area is under irrigation system. These rain-fed areas needed different types of irrigation system. Our country is providing this rain-fed area several types of irrigation system. The water management is needed to this rain-fed area which supply water and causing no water logging, no water logging, no salinity of soil, without causing the aeration of soil, and not change the water level in this area. It is the condition of our country nowadays. Next, irrigation system. Irrigation system. our country, in our country, is a large country. It prevails, but it is provided with diverse climatic condition and water resources. So, different system of irrigation is in our country prevails. The mode of irrigation is called irrigation system. In our country, there are 4 types of irrigation system generally. First, wells. Second, canals. Third, river lift system. Fourth, tanks. First of all, number 1, wells. These are shaft dug into the ground that reaches the water table, and this is the source of water. Wells are 2 types, that is ফার্স্ট হচ্ছে ওয়েলস, যেটাকে বলে ড্রাগ ওয়েলস। নাম্বার বি, বোর ওয়েলস। ড্রাগ ওয়েলস, these are deep, wide pit excavated into ground, lined by stone or bricks. Lined by stone or bricks. These are called deep drag wells. From this well, water is lifted by rope and bucket or chains of bucket, by rotating bullocks or by pumping. Next, bore wells. These are wells supported by pipe which reach the ground water, and water is lifted by pump. These 2 types of wells. Number 2, canals. These are man-made channels. These are man-made channels. The source of these channels is river, dam, barrage or lake. Through this canal, source water is transported to the crop field. The canals get subdivided into branch canals, which are again subdivided and reach the crop field. This is an extensive and elaborate system. This is an extensive and elaborated system. By this system, several acres of land are plowed or cultivated in our country. Next, number 3, river lift system. This is the system. When the river water goes to under the level of ground, then canal system cannot work, or canal system becomes slowly and obstructed by various methods. Then river lifting system is working. It lifts, it is planted into the channel close to the river, and water is lifted from the river throughout the locality. But long distance is not provided by this system. Nowadays, India is providing the long distance river system, which would be followed near about a few years. Next, number 4, tanks. This is a small storage river, a storage system. This is a small storage system which is made near the small catchment area. Near the small catchment area. The runoff water of catchment area is stored in this reservoir. And from this reservoir, during dry season, water is supplied. It is applicable in non-rainy season. Next, there is another management whose name is